Hello, happy family! Welcome to Joe's Kitchen and Vlogs. Hi, my name is Joe and you're watching Joe's Kitchen and Vlogs. I created this channel because my mom cooks superbly awesome foods and she didn't even take any cooking lessons. And my subscribers want my mom to teach them cooking lessons, but my one doesn't have that much time. Then I got an idea. I asked my mom if I can take a video of her cooking, and she said yes, and that's how my channel started. With Joe's Kitchen and Vlogs, I want to spread the love for food, and so that you know dinner is settled, and so you and your family can enjoy a happy life with tasty food. You will enjoy restaurant-style quality foods if you follow these tips and tricks all through the video. Don't miss them. Click on Joe's Kitchen and Vlogs every Friday for easy, simple, and tasty foods to your kitchen and boost your cooking levels. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and enjoy the videos that I make from Joe's Kitchen and Vlogs. If you have any suggestions, please let us know down in the comments. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel, Joe's Kitchen and Vlogs. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so you get notified when the next video comes out. Thanks for watching.